Can you make these faces with me? That's not happy. That's super happy explosion. Kids, we have a game called the emotion cards. In this game, we copy the cards to Kiz so we can learn how our face looks when we are happy or when we are sad or angry. This is very important for making animation. Are you ready? Let's start. Repeat after me. Happy. The eyebrows are softening. The eyes are smiling. A big smile. A happy, perfect face appears. Surprise. Eyebrows up. Eyes wide. Mouth round. Perfect! That's surprise. Sad. His eyebrows are down, his eyes are down, his mouth is crooked. My toy broke. This is sadness. Now you try. You were amazing today. If you want to play more games and learn how to make animations step by step, subscribe to our channel. Join Zizi and Gogo for more fun animation games and creative learning. See you in the next adventure!